Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dreamview channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Panasonic 584 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 584 liters, good for large families. Compressor type, reciprocatory compressor, which is standard type of compressor with easy maintenance. Defrosting type, frost-free auto fridge defrost to stop ice buildup. Specifications. Generally in the box we get refrigerator unit, user manual and warranty card. Refrigerator type, side-by-side refrigerator. Defrosting type, frost-free. Compressor type, reciprocatory compressor. Number of doors, 2. Number of shelves, 2. And coming to the warranty, it has 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor from Panasonic. Cost price 63,499 rupees only. To order this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dreamview channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.